friend. Today we're learning the letter F. This is F. F has a special sound. F. F. F is for frog. Frog. Can you say that with me now? Frog. Great job. F is also for flower. 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 Last one. F is also for fox. Fox. You try it with me. Fox. Great job learning the letter F today. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye.